Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargul. In this video, I tell you about Russia's popular animal. Russia is a big country and lots of animals live there. One animal, the common brown bear, has a special place in the hearts of the Russian people. The brown bear lives in the mountains and forests of Russia. It is a very large animal with a large round head, small round ears, and a long mouth with 42 teeth. Its fur is thick and it has large paws with long claws and can grow up to 10 centimeters long. It eats berries and nuts, roots, grasses, insects, and fish. The big and beautiful animal is a favorite character of Russian fairy tales and cartoons. In fact, the brown bear is so popular that it is the national symbol of Russia. The brown bear can run as fast as 55 km. It means 55 km per hour. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.